Think about the most impressive person in your office or social circle. Someone who never makes a mistake, always has the right answer, and seems completely put together at all times. You probably respect them. You might even admire them. But ask yourself this: do you actually like them? Or do you feel a quiet, underlying sense of distance when you are around them? When we try to win people over, our basic instinct is to hide our flaws. We polish our image, conceal our mistakes, and project absolute competence. We believe that perfection attracts admiration. But behavioral psychology reveals a darker, counterintuitive truth. Absolute perfection does not pull people in. It pushes them away. It creates an invisible psychological wall. Today, we're going to look at why your attempt to be flawless is actually destroying your social leverage. We will break down a famous psychological experiment that proves why showing a calculated weakness is the ultimate power move, and how you can weaponize your small mistakes to control the room. In 1966, a psychologist named Elliot Aronson conducted an experiment at the University of Texas that completely changed how we understand human attraction. He wanted to know how making a mistake affects a person's likability. He recorded audio tapes of a student answering trivia questions. Aronson created two distinct profiles. The first was a superior student, someone who answered over 90% of the questions correctly and had an impressive background. The second was an average student, someone who only got 30% right and had an ordinary background. Aronson played these tapes for groups of test subjects. Naturally, the subjects rated the superior student as highly competent but slightly distant. Then, Aronson added a twist. He created two new tapes. In these, right at the end of the interview, the student is heard clumsily knocking over a cup of coffee and ruining their suit. The results were staggering. When the average student spilled the coffee, their likability dropped even further. They went from being just average to being seen as a complete loser. But when the superior student spilled the coffee, their likability skyrocketed. The test subjects rated the clumsy, coffee-spilling genius as the most attractive and likable profile of all. Aronson called this the Pratfall Effect. Why does this happen? To understand the Pratfall Effect, you have to understand the psychology of human insecurity. When you present yourself as utterly flawless, you unconsciously become a threat to the people around you. You become a mirror. When people look at your perfection, they do not just see your success. They see a reflection of their own inadequacies. They feel judged, even if you never say a single negative word to them. Perfection is intimidating. It signals to the human brain that you are out of reach, functioning on a completely different level. But when a highly competent person makes a small, embarrassing mistake, something shifts in the brain of the observer. The psychological wall collapses. The mistake humanizes you. It sends a subconscious signal to the room. I am flawed, just like you. You are safe with me. The spilled coffee, the stutter, the forgotten word, these are not failures. In the realm of social dynamics, they are equalizers. They neutralize the threat of your high competence. But here is the most critical part of the Pratfall Effect, and this is where most people get it wrong. A flaw only makes you more likable if you have already proven your competence. The Pratfall Effect is a strict two-step formula. Step 1. Establish high value. This is non-negotiable. You must be perceived as highly capable, intelligent, or skilled. Step 2. Reveal a harmless vulnerability. If you are already performing poorly at your job and you spill coffee on your presentation, people will not find you charming. They will simply confirm their belief that you are incompetent. A mistake only amplifies what is already there. If you are competent, a flaw makes you relatable. If you are incompetent, a flaw makes you a liability. Highly charismatic people, CEOs, master negotiators, and great leaders understand this completely. They weaponize their small flaws. They will deliberately admit to being terrible at a harmless hobby. They will intentionally stumble over a word and laugh at themselves. By handing you a small, calculated weakness, they disarm your defenses and force you to trust them. Stop trying to edit out every flaw in your personality. The urge to be flawless is rooted in the fear of rejection, but ironically, it is the exact thing that guarantees your isolation. The next time you make a minor mistake in front of a group, do not panic. Do not over-explain or desperately try to cover it up. Own it. Let the room see that the smartest person in the room is also human. You will realize that your small mistakes are not destroying your reputation. They are the exact anchors that connect you to the rest of the world. If you are ready to drop the mask of perfection, leave a comment saying human and subscribe to decode the hidden mechanics of human behavior. See you in the next one.